In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate and create an app password in your Gmail account step by step. First, go to Google and make sure you're signed in to your Gmail account. Then, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account to open your account settings. Once you're inside, go to the Security section. Here, you need to make sure that two-step verification is turned on. If it's not enabled, you must turn it on first, because app passwords only work when this feature is active. After that, scroll down or use the search option to find app passwords and click on it. Next, you'll be asked to enter a name for the app you want to generate the password for. Type in any name, then click on Create. Gmail will instantly generate a unique app password for you. This password can be used to securely sign in to apps or devices that don't support regular Google sign-in. Make sure to copy and save this password, as you may not be able to see it again later. And that's it. You've successfully created an app password for your Gmail account.